In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Lovable Backend. If you want to create a backup of your project data or move your backend resources elsewhere, this process is fairly straightforward. We'll go through how to export your database first, and then how to download your storage files, such as uploaded images or other assets. To begin, open your project in Lovable. Once you're inside the project dashboard, navigate to the Cloud tab. From there, go into Overview, and then open Advanced Settings. This is where you'll find the export options related to your backend data. In the Advanced Settings area, look for the section called Export Project Data. When you find it, click Export Data. This opens the export flow and gives you access to the available backend export options. Next, under the database card, click Export. After that, confirm the action by selecting Start Export. At this point, Lovable will begin preparing your database export in the background. Depending on the size of your project, this may take a little time. So don't worry if it isn't instant. Once the export has finished processing, Lovable will send you a temporary download link by email. Open that email and use the link to download your database export file. Since the link is temporary, it's a good idea to download the file as soon as you receive it so you don't have to restart the export later. After you've downloaded the database export, the next part is getting your storage files. This is important because the database export does not automatically include files stored in your project storage, such as user uploads, media files, or images. To download those, go back to your project dashboard and open the storage view. From there, manually select the files or folders you want to keep, then download them as a zip archive. If you have multiple folders containing important assets, make sure you review everything carefully so nothing gets missed. By the end of this process, you should have two parts of your backend backup: your database export file from the email link, and your storage files downloaded from the storage view as a zip. Keeping both is helpful if you need a more complete backup of your project resources. That's the full process for exporting a Lovable backend. Take your time, make sure the download completes successfully, and store your exported files somewhere safe and organized for future use.